Start with an 1.5 arm length of Nymo D cord. After threading the needle, take the end and knot it twice around the earring post. Make sure you leave a little bit of a tail at the end so that you have a cord that you can run through at the very end of the piece. Take one bead and thread it all the way to rest on the earring post. Loop around once with thread and then thread through the bead, going from the bottom to the top, and pull to tighten. Continue this process until you have 10 beads across the bottom section of the earring post. Remember to pull to tighten after each bead so there are no gaps between the beaded section and the earring post. You now have 10 beads across, and we are going to run the thread back through the next bead to the left of the last to ensure its strength before we start the fringe section. We are now ready to start the fringe section. I've included the directions in the description above. Please follow for each row. Once you have strung all the beads for the row, you are going to skip the first bead and take your needle and thread through the remaining other beads like so. It always helps to lay your piece flat on your beading mat and pull the cord through. I like to hold that last bead that you didn't bead through. It gives a good stabilization. And then now you're going to take your needle and thread it going from the top to the bottom, like so. And you're ready to start the row number 2. Continue this same process across all 10 rows. Please enjoy the sped up process. I wish we all could work this fast. We are at the end. We have all 10 rows completed. Finish the thread by threading back through a couple of rows like so. I'm currently traveling, so I don't have a lighter. After cutting the thread, I like to burn the edges to ensure they won't unthread. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to do that with this piece, but please keep that in mind when doing a completed earring. The little tiny threaded section that you had left to the side from the very beginning, you are now going to thread back through the piece like you did with the last thread, just so you have a nice clean finish. Thank you all so much for watching my tutorial. Please hit the like button and subscribe. Take care.